This 2,600 subscriber channel just got 29,000 views. I found it in 11 seconds using this. Manual search is a trap. You find a banger, then you see it. 2 million subs. Useless. So I built the Anomaly Hunter, AI that hunts the underdogs. Small channels getting massive views. I'm giving you the entire workflow, free, no coding required. And stick around, I'll show you one hidden setting that doubles the results. Let's set it up. Let's pop the hood. Most people think AI automation is magic. It's not, it's just logic. First, the agent searches for your niche. I currently have it hunting for n8n tutorial or AI automation agent, but you can change this to gaming or finance. And don't worry about the technical settings. I included a full setup guide with the download. Next, it hits the first filter. This is the bouncer. If a video has less than 10,000 views, the agent deletes it immediately. We don't want failure. Then the agent checks the channel size. I programmed a strict rule. If the channel has more than 9,000 subscribers, throw it away. This leaves us with only the mathematical anomalies. High demand, low competition. Enough theory. Let's see if this actually works in the real world. I ran 4 live tests. First, I used my main keyword, n8n automation. I hit execute, wait for the green lights. Done. It instantly filtered the noise and found 2 solid videos. Let's clear our sheet and go to the next one. Next, I tried the YouTube growth niche. Change keyword. I changed the keyword to something like YouTube algorithm secrets. Execute. 30 seconds and done. Let's check the sheet. Look at row 2. 6,000 subscribers, but 260,000 views. That is 40 times their normal reach. Let's clear our sheet and go to the next one. Then I tried scary stories. Let's see what our AI agent can actually find. Scanning. Execute. Scanning. Done. This result is actually insane. Look at row 4. 2 million view on a channel with only 2,000 subscribers. That is a 1 in a million outlier. Let's clear our sheet and go to the next one. Finally, let's test the make money niche. I click on the node, go to the Q section, and change the keyword. I put in those specific keywords, hit execute, and after 30 seconds, the results are insane. 113,000 views from a tiny channel with only 1,400 subs. The agent doesn't care about the niche. It just hunts for the math. And now I'm going to give it to you. I've packaged this entire agent into a ready-to-use kit for you. But before you run it, I want to save you from the 2 mistakes that break everything. First, the engine needs fuel. Go to the YouTube search node, click on Credentials, and paste your API key there. If you don't know how to get one, I made a full video explaining it. Just click the card in the top right corner. Second, the landing pad, your Google Sheet. The AI is smart, but it can't guess. You must have these exact 5 columns: title, channel, views, subs, and link. Don't stress about memorizing the settings. I've included a step-by-step PDF guide inside the kit to walk you through it. I want to make sure this gets to the real builders, not the bots. So subscribe and comment the word Hunter below, and I will send you the complete kit directly. I spent weeks refining this logic so you don't have to waste time guessing, but I want to keep building for you. So tell me, what is the next step? Should I upgrade this agent to write the script or generate the thumbnail? Let me know what you need.
やっと戦いを実感できるぞ。